everyone, this is Shagalia from Oscar Max Learning. Today I have come up with the chapter exponents and I am going to solve the given question here. The given question is that we need to prove this equation is equal to 1 and these are all the set of formulas I am going to use to solve this equation. First let me solve the terms which is inside the brackets, that is x to the power a divided by x to the power b. This is similar to the formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n. What will be the result? I need to subtract the powers. So base is a and I need to subtract the powers, that is m minus n. I have shown the example over here. X to the power a divided by x to the power b will be x to the power a minus b. So I have written x to the power a minus b over here and by whole to the power 1 by ab as it is. The same formula we need to use here. We need to write base as it is and we need to subtract the power, that is b minus c. I have written over here whole to the power 1 by bc as there in the question. Here x to the power c by x to the power a will be x to the power c minus a whole to the power 1 by ca as it is. Now x to the power a minus b whole to the power 1 by ab. This is similar to the formula a to the power m whole to the power n, that is equal to a to the power mn. See, I have shown the example over here. X to the power a minus b whole to the power 1 ab will be, I need to multiply a minus b with 1, that is a minus b divided by my denominator is ab. I have written as it is. The same thing I need to do for rest two thing and I have done over here. So I multiplied b minus c into 1 by bc, that is b minus c by bc, x to the power c minus a into 1 by ca, c minus a by ca. Now x to the power, this is in the form of a to the power m into a to the power n, that is a to the power m plus n. The bases are same and it is multiplied, so what I should do is I should simply add the powers. So I have done that. So the base is x and the powers are a minus b by ab plus b minus c by bc and so on. I have done that. Now I can't use any formulas to simplify this. So what I am going to do is I am going to solve the powers. That is, I need to take LCM in order to solve this. So LCM of AB plus BC plus CA will be ABC. So LCM is ABC. Now I need to multiply this ABC with each and every term here. So I have shown here, I have shown for one term, rest two is same as it is. A minus b by ab into ABC. ABC is the LCM. So AB and AB will be cancelled. C is remaining. C should be multiplied with A minus B. So it will be CA minus CB. That's done. Now for the second term, B minus C by BC into ABC. BC will be cancelled. The remaining will be A over there. So A into B is AB. A into C is minus AC. The same thing even here, we need to multiply with ABC. So CA will be cancelled. B should be multiplied with C minus A. I have written over here. Now we need to cancel or add or subtract all the common terms. So plus CA and minus CA I can cancel, minus CB plus CB I can cancel, plus AB and minus AB I can cancel. So all the terms got cancelled. So my solution is now x to the power 0 by A minus C. You know that 0 divided by any number or variable will be 0. So x to the power 0 by ABC is x to the power 0. And one more rule is that any number raised to the power 0 will be 1. So x to the power 0 is also 1. We proved that. We proved this equation is equal to 1. Here's the second part of the question. The question is, we need to prove this equation is equal to 1 and this is the only formula we are going to use for this problem. Here first let me solve x to the power a minus b, then solve the rest of the problem. I am going to use this formula, but I am going to use the reverse of this formula. Now they are given in this form, we need to bring to this form. Example, I have shown here x to the power a minus b they are given. I am going to write it as x to the power a divided by x to the power b. So this is the equation I get, 1 by 1 plus x to the power a divided by x to the power b plus 1 by 1 plus same x to the power b minus a. I'm going to write x to the power b by x to the power a. Now I'm going to solve the denominator. I'll solve this by taking LCM for it. So LCM of this will be x to the power b and I need to cross multiply now. X to the power b into 1 is x to the power b plus x to the power a into 1 is x to the power a. This part is done. Now I'm going to take LCM for this denominator. LCM will be x to the power a. I have written over here. Then I need to cross multiply it. X to the power a into 1 is x to the power a plus x to the power b into 1 is x to the power b. Now I'll try to reciprocal it and solve the problem. If I reciprocal it, I'll get x to the power b in the numerator and x to the power b plus x to the power a in the denominator, plus same way x to the power a will go to the numerator and x to the power a plus x to the power b will be in the denominator. Now you can observe the denominators are same, so we no need to take LCM. So I'm going to write denominator as it is, x to the power a plus x to the power b. Now I need to add the numerators, that is x to the power a plus x to the power b. I've written over here. Now I can cancel this. Since it is common, I can cancel. So if I cancel, I'll get 1 as the answer. See, we proved that this equation is equal to 1. That's it. I hope you understood the problem, and give a thumbs up if you liked the video, and please share to your friends and classmates, and please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.